I got new bookshelves for my library, which I love. They don't fall apart. I love my new storage over here. The cube storage is really awesome. I got a new teacher desk, which I really like. And the boho chairs over here, which are really cute, match the whole theme. I'm gonna get emotional, but I love my kids. And it's just really nice to be able to have somewhere for them to like come and hang out. I know those kids won't get to like experience the room as much, but I still get a lot of my old kids that come and stop by. So it really meant a lot that they could be here. And I'm really happy that they came. I really appreciate Additions Financial for doing this for me, and I did work a pre-planning day when you guys were decorating, so I did see all of the people who were going in and out and making this happen. It was a lot of people. It made me feel really special and that they really care about teachers.
I'm Alyssa Snyder, and I'm Orange County's Renovate to Educate winner.